In this video today, we're going to show you how to replace your standard USB headset with a Roger On V2. So the first stage is, here's my standard headset plugged into my laptop with a USB-A lead. We're going to get rid of that, we don't need that now. I have here a Roger On transmitter, which is connected into a Roger receiver. Any Roger receiver will be fine. My first stage is I'm going to wear this around my neck, so I need to connect it to the neck strap. So that's connected there. I'm going to take my appropriate USB lead. It's a USB-C in the bottom. So I've now got my Roger On V2 plugged into USB. I'm going to plug that into my laptop. So now, wear it around my neck. You're wise to move the unit up towards the neck, the closer to the mouth, the better the quality of the sound. So we now have my Roger On, which is picking up my voice, that's going into my laptop where I've got Teams or whatever virtual meeting program you want to use, or even gaming. And it's going to be fed back to a receiver, which would go into, if I was wearing hearing aids, it would go up to my hearing aids. So microphone, my voice in, sound back to whatever hearing aids you're wearing.